Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Taylor, your favorite. So Taylor was like, yay! And today we're gonna be shopping with me for Coachella. Be shopping with me for Coachella, and so I'm gonna be doing whatever it is on my phone. I'm gonna be screen recording on my phone. Do you like my camera though? Isn't it nice? This is an expensive camera, but I'm gonna use it for other things too, not just YouTube. I ain't spend all this money just for YouTube, and then YouTube gets shot up by someone that's mentally insane. Why would you shoot up a facility, the headquarters, because of your channel? People like that, that's a whole nother topic I could talk about. It's just crazy. Like, this world is crazy. You shot up a whole place because your channel wasn't doing okay. You know how many people are on YouTube? So many. So many. That's a whole nother thing. I don't even know the whole story. I just know it was about she feels entitled or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and screen record now. Be back. Okay, first let's go into Instagram. Straight flexing. Whoop. Yes, queen. I'll do all that later. This is my Instagram, just so y'all know, follow it. And then we're gonna go into my collections. Put my phone on do not disturb. And connections, and then as you can see, collections. I have a whole lot of collection things. So I got Coachella, makeup inspo, clothes that I just want to buy, braid inspo, you know, apartment inspo for when I get my place, what I want to kind of look like, wedding inspo, and the stuff I need for my makeup kit. But we're gonna go to Coachella one. As you can see, my Coachella one, it's grown a lot since I started it. I don't remember when I started this, but it has makeup inspo that I'm gonna be doing probably. Like, this one is bomb. Like, I really want to do this one. Like, what? She killed that. I think this is her Instagram too. Yeah. Look. Like, what? Let me follow her. I thought I followed her. I did not. Alright, anyways. But that was one because it has a flower crown, has all these makeup. 50 came out with another hat. Sis, I might be getting that. Oh, March 15th. Is it April? Wow, that's crazy. There's a whole lot of stuff that I want. Like these sandals. These are so cute. Love the black ones. I think this is not even going to be called shopping, because I'm going to just show you stuff that I might be doing. So like this. Ooh, auntie, this is popping. Like the little jewel, the nose ring that I don't have. And then I'm thinking about doing nails. Not sure. But these are popping. I like those. I don't know why I put this as Coachella. I'm not really about to wear this Coachella. That's too dark. I mean, it's not too dark. How come every time I want to make a video, they're always testing alarms and stuff? But you see her braids? You see her braids? And then her outfits from Fashion Nova? Like, what? What? If I could find someone that would do that? Wait. Never mind. I know a lot of people that could do that. But hers just looks so good on her. And then I saw this. I don't think I'm wearing this Coachella. That's too much. I just want the skirt, honestly. And then I saw this and I was like, oh, maybe this I could wear Coachella, because they're going to have like some pool parties. Not so much for the second weekend, more for like the first weekend, because that's when everyone's like partying and stuff. We got my queen Ellery. Okay, she's the queen of colors. Queen of colors. Then this is from Diva Moda Fashion Couture. Really, it's just Diva Boutique. But I'm not skinny enough for that, but I still liked it. And then I saw this and I was like, ooh, that's real cute and simple, but I don't got a butt like that. And I saw this to like travel in, but I was like, I don't know. Then we got this, because I like the little cover up thing. That's popping. My yasses. Then we got this look by Shan Mac MUA. I think she works for Mac. Maybe. But isn't it pretty? I don't even know this. Okay, and this is my girl Christina. I know her in person if y'all follow her. She did this and I was like, ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Like a lot. I'm digging that. I don't know though. Then we got this look on the Suave. I don't know. Then we got this. I thought about it, but I don't know. I just liked it for the moment, I guess. Just like, where's white? But this one was good too. I think this is the same girl from the first one. I think it looks like it a lot. Then I saw this because it's real simple, but I got this type of shorts. But I got these type of shorts from Papaya for cheap. For the cheap. Then I saw this and I was like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like that. And this one too, like what? Let me go to Fashion Nova page. I like this romper, that's real cute, you know. And then we saw hers. I was like, that's real creative. And then hers was really popping too. Be a mermaid. But isn't this cute? I'm really getting pissed off about this freaking alarm. But yeah, that's basically it. There's not a lot to zoom in on because I'm real basic. Like these are cute. And then these pants, I'm seeing everyone starting to sell these pants and I'm living for it. Living for it. Like, wow, they're so cute. And then I saw this fanny pack and I was like, ooh, that's cute. Like Champion, aren't they coming back or whatever? And then this look, I was like, that's real poppin'. I don't know why I put this up. Coachella. I don't know. And then the tennis one, I like this one better than the other one. I don't know why. Because it's covering up stomachs. And then cargo is coming back. Okay. I mean, yeah, cargo and camos coming back. Better than ever. I like it. And then isn't hers like amazing? Like, wow. I don't know what else to look at, you know. This is really what I have saved for Coachella. Like this would be real cute. In a different color maybe. I don't know. Oh, and then we got Christina. Yes. Her festival look. Oh, yeah. It's really cute and simple. Got this. I just like the kimono. Got this. I don't know if I would wear this to Coachella, but you know, whatever. Hold on, I think it stopped recording. Oh, nope, still recording. And then isn't this cute? I thought it was really cute. Is there anything else to zoom in at? No, not really. Isn't her hair? Yeah, not really. This is my favorite one. Second favorite that I might buy. Don't know yet. And then hers are like, yes, like what? Yes, it's vibrant. gosh. I don't know. Well, that's all I have. You know, I guess it's gonna be a short video. It's just some of my inspiration for Coachella. You know, just to get y'all ready. Just to get me ready. That's all I really have. Oh, and this one. I like this a lot too. Yeah. That's really it. I'm gonna go and, you know, buy some of these clothes. And then, yeah. That's all I have, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this gave you inspiration if you're going to Coachella. And I'll see you the second weekend if you're going. Bye.